What's up? Order in the courts, honey. You write me, Booker at bookerlawfirm.com. Your question ends up on the show. Bring you to the court of my public opinion. We're not going to look at this as legal advice because I don't represent you and I may not have all of the facts that I need. However, I'm going to do the best job that I can with what I have. Without further ado, let's get it crack-a-lacking. Order in the court. They wrote me and they said, will I be drug tested in court for being sued for a car accident? I don't know, will you? Just joking. You might be. My insurance company won't cover the small accident because I was delivering food in my personal car for work. Well, they're not going to cover it. So it's considered third party and my work insurance won't cover me because I was in my personal car. So now the other party is suing, but he's also an attorney. Baby, let me help you out. Bring it to the court of my public opinion. Let me tell y'all something. If y'all don't know how to fight these Uber, and I just use Uber as an example. If you don't know how to fight your employer, don't work for people you don't know your rights with. Baby, your insurance is never going to cover you doing a pickup and a drop off, food items, or an individual, and you're using that car for work. A commercial policy is going to be needed for them to cover that. And let me explain something to you. Your employer knows that. So your employer is playing games with you. You need to find you an attorney. I hope you had some personal injuries because that's probably the only way that they'll help you. But you need to get you an attorney because I stay suing Lyft and Uber and them because they try not to cover the drivers. And they know damn well that they have a duty to do so. But they will tell you no at first. They will tell your lawyer no at first until they know that you're going to sue them, and then they're not going to play with you because they are supposed to provide you with insurance and coverage for that date because they know that you were working. They know that you were working for him, and they have a third-party umbrella policy that covers you as their worker in your vehicle, even though you don't have a commercial policy. Why do they have that? They have it because they don't check and make y'all have a commercial policy, so that's the trick. Okay? You can also use that with renter's insurance, y'all. Something happens to you at an apartment complex and they tell you that they need to hit your renter's insurance, or they tell you they're going to sue you or do something to you because something happened at the apartment complex. Okay? And they say you didn't have renter's insurance, so we're going to sue you because we couldn't do anything. We had no insurance to fall back on. Call their bluff. Because at the end of the day, they have insurance that picks up in case you don't have renter's insurance. Why? Because their apartment complex knows that they don't check renter's insurance. If renter's insurance is not a required item on the list for you to live there, then they have a policy that will cover it if you don't. The same thing with Uber and Lyft and any other ride sharing and delivery services. If they don't tell you that they need to see a copy of your insurance card showing commercial insurance as a requirement of you working for them, they have a policy that'll cover it. They're just going to tell you no. So don't let them play with you. Like the young folks say, don't let them play on your top, okay? Okay, you need all your ducats, all your representation, and all your money and help for all your insurance. Because I guarantee you, all your check and the fees coming out of it are paying for that insurance, so they lying. Next case, go get your insurance, baby. Your insurance, they lying. Next case.
Biggest time I made that call, I'm locked up and facing charges. Who gon' fight these cases for me? I called Booker Law Firm, they got the job done. They were right there for me.
For more information, contact the Booker Law Firm at 713-292-2225.